Hey everybody, Tecticon is back with another Blokees Defenders unboxing of the whole box. This is Blokees Defenders Wave 3, which is called Heavy Metal War, probably because of the Constructicons and Grimlock. But let's not waste a bunch of time. Let's go ahead and tear it into this. You know, I know where my knife is and I still haven't got it. So I'm just going to try and tear this open with my fingers because I already gave Shattered Glass Optimus Prime his sword back. So let's tear through this plastic. Throw the plastic off. And here we go. I mean, really, really impressive box. I showed you the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the side. Here's some, you know, what we used to do as Christmas when we were kids, unless you're currently a kid right now. So let's, so as for, I almost forgot to do this. I did this in the Big Bad Toy Store unboxing video, last video. But my hope is to get the special armor type Soundwave because it comes with his minions. But if I don't get that, I'm hoping to get the special armor type Grimlock. Next would be the special galaxy type Soundwave. And my least one would be special galaxy type Grimlock. Now, it's funny because if you were to ask me who are my favorite Transformers, Soundwave number 1 and Grimlock number 2. But just a shiny Grimlock doesn't really excite me much more. So here is the card. What card do we get? We got Grimlock, and this is a awesome looking card. Look at that. These are the other cards that I got from box 1 or wave 1 and box 2. So specialized characters for the second and third box. So very, very cool. Fearless. Very nice. On the back, just Transformers. Is that? Almost looks like it's cracked, but it's just a print. So let's start with this one. All right, and what this is, in case you haven't watched my other unboxing videos of the Blokees, I just unbox these. I show you which one it is, and then we're gonna do individual build videos for each one. Let me try and get this a little bit more on screen. So here goes our first one. I'm sure the boxes are going to be very annoying to get open. You know what? A little less annoying than last time. Okay, so I'm not going to look at the card because the card is loose inside the box. Looks like we have got Skywarp, am I right? Is it Skywarp? No, it's Nemesis Prime Vehicle. Dang it, I did that last time. Shattered Glass Optimus Prime Vehicle. So, cool. We'll just throw this back in. Or you know what, we'll put this to the side. This helps me remember the order because then I do the builds via the order that I open them. Alright, let's go and grab box 2 and put back Swan back in. I almost seem to start off with a vehicle when unboxing. Maybe because I tend to pick from the rear. Sorry. Okay. Ignore the card. Open the package. Oh, we definitely got a construction vehicle here. So cool. Looks like we got Scavenger. And to confirm, here is the Scavenger card. Scrapper, not Scavenger, Scrapper. I'm sorry, guys. And just so y'all know, the instructions are now on the card, which I think is pretty neat. Very cool, huh? So, 2 vehicles in a row. Just like last time. All right. So, let's see if we actually get... I got my special edition one, I think 3rd or 4th last time. Let's see how that goes. Come on. Special armor type, Soundwave, or Grimlock. I got a special galaxy type last time, so maybe I'll go back to the armor type. Okay, here is Gold Megatron with his card and silica packet. I'm just going to put the silica packet back in there. All right, who is next? Exciting, exciting. All right. So I do have the Blokees Defender. I don't know what I'm saying these days. Devastator kit on pre-order from BBTS. So hopefully that'll be coming soon so I can have a full Devastator figure. Okay, what is it? That looks like a Jazz. I'm guessing that's a Jazz. Am I right? Let's see. It's Autobot Jazz with the instructions. I like the instructions on the card. That's less paper to deal with. And, you know, after doing 24 of these guys, I can probably put them together in my sleep, you know? Oh, this one's hard to get open. Here we are. Alright, let's see if I can do something with this box. It's kind of getting on the nerves. Okay. Oh, trash. I'll tell you one thing. If you're a little 5-finger discount kid, you are not going to get these easily. Alright, looks like we got Hot Rod, going by the colors, and fish out his card. We got Hot Rod. Now I also have Wave 4 of this on pre-order, and I really, really want that Flaming Rodimus, or Burning Rodimus, whatever you want to call them. And these boxes are tough. Oops, sorry for bumping the camera. I'm very excited about the transparent Soundwave, the clear one. I think they call it glittering or something. Let's see, what's it called? Yeah, glittering Soundwave. I hope they make more of them, really. Made some trash. Oh, look at that. I was talking about them, and lo and behold, we have got glittering Soundwave. So, let's pull out his card. Here we got, sorry, and I do what a lot of people do. Shockwave. Glittering Shockwave. My apologies, Soundwave. Shockwave's cool, but not Soundwave cool, so I did not mean to offend you, Soundwave. I know you two wave guys don't always get along. Alright, we're halfway through and still no special figure. Getting anxious for it. Maybe because I'm talking about it. This will be it. Oh, I can almost see the card, but I don't want to. It's purple, so it's probably a bad guy. Constructicons! Oh, it's another Constructicon. It is Mixmaster, the DJ of the crew. Oh man, the anticipation to see which figure I get. It's killing me. Watch it be the last one, which I'm cool with that. Anticipation is fun. Anybody who likes a good horror movie knows that. Okay. Alright, well, card almost came out, but I didn't see it. Another construction vehicle. This one's obviously long haul. Go ahead and dump the card out. Put the silica packet back in. So here we have long haul. I think that's it for the vehicle modes now. So 4 more. We are 2/3 of the way through. Oh, bumped the camera again. Sorry, folks. All right. Now we have that's got to be Skywarp. Let's see, am I right? Am I even saying them right? Skywarp. Yep. Making sure I'm not mixing them up with other characters. All right. Put them back in the box, silly Willy. Without breaking it. All right, so 3 left. Okay. So Halloween's coming up. Y'all got some good ideas for Halloween? Y'all celebrate Halloween? I hope you do. I mean, God, Halloween used to be such a big thing when I was a kid. I mean, 6-year-olds trick-or-treating by them. Oh, look at this. This is definitely armor type Grimlock, which I am very cool with. Special armor type Grimlock. Yeah, very cool. He comes with a swoop backpack, as you can see right here. Swoopish. Alright, cool. I didn't get Soundwave, but that's cool. Like I said, this was my second choice, and I love me some Grimlock and Swoop. It's like Batman and Robin, just dumber, but way stronger. So yeah, I still don't have any plans for Halloween, but my manager actually called me in and said, hey, you've got some paid time off, PTO as you call it, coming up, and if you don't use it by the end of the year, you're going to lose it. So I said, heck, give me Halloween off and the 2 days after it. So I got some Halloween time. Who is this? Maybe Shatterglass Prime? I think we're out of purple guys, right? No, this is Soundwave. My 2 favorite characters right next to each other. So yeah, here we got Soundwave. And last but not least, who have we not gotten yet? I don't know. I feel like we've gotten everybody. Who have we not gotten? Huh. I guess we're about to find out. Because the very last Blokees from Wave 3, the Heavy Metal War, is... Oh, I just said him. Shatterglass Optimus Prime. And here is his card. No Silic packet in it. Always love a Shatterglass Optimus Prime. Very excited about the Shatterglass Decepticons coming in the next 2 boxes. I hope they kind of even out because, like, over the last few years, the Shatterglass figures that have come out, the poor Decepticons are super outnumbered. Like, way too many. I really feel like we should have gotten, like, Shatterglass Thundercracker and Skywarp. Shatterglass Thundercracker looks awesome. Shatterglass Shockwave is just yellow. But yeah, there we go. 12 figures from Defenders Wave 3. So y'all stay tuned. I'll be building them all up and doing more fun stuff with them. So I will be seeing y'all next time.